Here's a sped up version of the Goofy Dolls, an EAS short.
Disney Junior's apology.
This is an apology from the Disney Junior staff. 2 hours ago, a disturbing hijacking occurred during an episode of Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. It shows the character Goofy with creepy eyes, asking the viewer the following.
What is stronger than the human heart? Which shatters over and over. And without any reason, it still lives.
And then, the character appears and says, "Me," and then jump-scaring the viewer shortly after. Kids who saw the hijack unfold got traumatized, some even killed themselves. At this time, Disney Junior will be temporarily unavailable. If you know who caused the hijacking, then call 911. But that doesn't mean that the magic is completely gone. You can still visit Disney Channel and Disney XD. We are super duper sorry for what happened to our broadcasts today. We will make sure that this will never happen again. Thank you for listening, and have a great rest of your day.